Let's actually use it. I'm going to open ChatGPT from scratch and write a brand new prompt live using the RCTCF framework from this course, so you can follow along on your own screen right now. Head to chatgpt.com. You can sign up free with an email or a Google account. The free tier is genuinely fine for everything in this course. I've already got an account, so let's start a new chat. Instead of reusing one of the copy-paste templates from section 2, let's build one from scratch for something real from my own day. Act as a travel coordinator. I'm planning a team offsite in October for 10 people. Draft an email invitation to the group. Include the constraints. Tone should be professional and upbeat. And keep the entire message under 150 words. And there's the draft. Notice it picked up the tone and the length limit exactly as specified, because the prompt spelled them out. Now the iteration step. Make it 20% shorter, end with one clear question. That took 10 seconds, and the draft is noticeably tighter. One more thing before this goes anywhere. I'm changing this line, because it doesn't sound like me. That's the step people skip. And it's the one that matters most. Never send an AI draft to another person without reading it first. That's the whole loop. Prompt, draft, iterate, edit, and only then send. Try this yourself before moving on. Pick one real task of your own and write an RCTCF prompt for it, right on your own screen. Next, let's see how Claude handles a different kind of task.